Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the universe as an infinite dance floor where every particle, thought, and emotion moves in perfect sync. This mesmerizing spectacle is the law of vibration in action, the timeless principle that everything in existence, from the twinkling stars to the very essence of your being, vibrates with boundless energy. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through the symphony of life, where we'll explore the mystical and awe-inspiring world of the law of vibration. Together, we'll unravel the secrets of energy and discover how to wield this power to create a life of limitless possibilities. Everything is energy, the cosmic choreography. Step into the grand ballroom of the cosmos, where the law of vibration conducts its enchanting orchestration. Each element in the universe, whether seen or unseen, plays a unique note in this celestial symphony. From the tiniest atoms to the vast galaxies, every entity hums its distinctive vibrational melody, entwining in a cosmic dance of harmonious frequencies. We are not isolated entities, but interconnected threads in this intricate tapestry of energy, constantly resonating with the rhythm of existence. It's a power of thought and emotion, dance of creation. Imagine your mind as a dazzling light show, where thoughts and emotions spark like fireworks, sending out energetic ripples into the universe. Every thought and emotion is a brushstroke on the canvas of reality, shaping the masterpiece of your life. With each positive thought, you infuse vibrant colors into the cosmic dance, attracting similar energies like celestial magnets. However, negative thoughts cast shadows over your canvas, obscuring the brilliance of your desires. Embrace the power within to become the choreographer of your thoughts and emotions, directing the cosmic dance towards the fulfillment of your dreams. The law of attraction, the universal tango. Now let's put on our cosmic dancing shoes and embrace the law of attraction, the magnetic force that unites us with the energies we emit. Like two dancers entwined in an intimate tango, this law responds to the vibrational frequencies we radiate. When we align our thoughts, emotions, and intentions with our deepest desires, the universe listens and responds in kind. As you attract positive energies, watch in awe as synchronicities, opportunities, and serendipitous events waltz into your life. Applying the law of vibration in daily life, creating a vibrant reality, mindful movement, tango with awareness. In the bustling ballroom of life, embrace the dance of mindfulness. By tuning into the present moment and observing your thoughts and emotions, you can shift from a clumsy two-step to a graceful tango, empowering yourself to direct the energies you emit. Meditation, the cosmic serenade. Take a moment each day to meditate, immersing yourself in the cosmic serenade of the universe. In this tranquil space, connect with the universal energy and align your vibrations with love, abundance, and gratitude. Gratitude, the celestial amplifier. Cultivate the celestial art of gratitude, for it amplifies your vibrational frequency, attracting even more blessings into your life. Embrace the magic of appreciating the small wonders and watch as the universe responds with an orchestra of abundance. Intention setting, choreograph your desires. Become the grand choreographer of your life by setting clear and positive intentions. Infuse your desires with unwavering belief and passion, and watch as the universe takes center stage, crafting the most beautiful dance of manifestation. Radiate positivity. Dance with the stars. Surround yourself with kindred spirits who radiate positivity and inspire your cosmic dance. Their energetic presence will amplify your own vibrations, creating a celestial ripple effect that touches the lives of others. As the curtain falls on our cosmic odyssey through the law of vibration, remember that you are the master of your dance in the grand ballroom of existence. With mindfulness, meditation, gratitude, and positive intentions, you can step into the cosmic rhythm and direct the energy of the universe to create a life of enchanting possibilities. The law of vibration invites you to embrace the cosmic tango, to dance with the stars, and to paint the canvas of your reality with the hues of your dreams. So, let the music of the universe guide your steps and unleash the boundless potential that resides within you. Embrace the symphony of life and watch as the universe dances with you in harmony, granting you a life of endless joy and fulfillment. Thank you all for watching this video on the law of vibration in life. Remember, the universe is constantly in motion, and understanding how energy and frequencies influence our experiences can have a profound impact on our well-being. Embrace positivity, raise your vibration, and attract more of what you desire. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Keep exploring, learning, and aligning yourself with the higher frequencies to manifest the life you truly deserve. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and until next time, keep vibrating at your highest frequency. Goodbye.